Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer from Phantom wallet to Coinbase wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Phantom wallet. Once you have successfully logged into your Phantom wallet account, after that you just need to simply tap on the send button, and after that, first of all, here you will need to select any preferred currency you are using in order to transfer from Phantom wallet to Coinbase wallet. But in this video I'm using here Solana. So in this search bar, simply type Solana and select this currency. Here it required the depositing address of Solana from Coinbase wallet. In order to do that, you have to minimize your Phantom wallet and open the Coinbase wallet application. Once you have successfully opened your Coinbase wallet application, now tap the add crypto, and here you will be able to see blue highlighted receive crypto. So simply tap on this button. After that, you will be able to see all the network here. In the fourth line, you will be able to see Solana address. Simply tap on this, and now you have successfully copied the Solana address. After that, you just need to reopen Phantom wallet, paste this address from your clipboard to option. Click on this next button, and now it says enter the amount of Solana you are transferring from Phantom wallet to Coinbase wallet. And after that, simply tap the next button at the bottom. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Solana from Phantom wallet to Coinbase wallet, and that's how you can transfer from Phantom wallet to Coinbase wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.